Spread over 45 acres in Halol, Gujarat, the manufacturing faculty Toto India Industries Private Limited, a subsidiary of Japan's Toto Limited, is producing quality sanitary ware products to cater to the domestic as well as international markets, targeting mainly the Middle East and Europe. Set up with an investment of about USD 69 million, the factory was formally inaugurated on August 20th, 2014. The plant is equipped with the very latest in manufacturing technology. Employing around 500 people, it manufactures 5 lakh units of hygienic and eco-friendly wash basins and bidets.
Potentiality of Indian market, this is main our target, and also we are looking for Europe and Middle East market, as well as South Asian market and USA or Japan. So we can also expecting export to those countries.
The manufacturing unit in Gujarat has plans for further expansion depending on the demands. Aware of tough competition, Toto India does not want to compromise with its motto of quality and uniformity. The company is offering water-efficient, easy-to-clean products specially tailored to the local market in a relatively low price. Toto Limited is aiming to establish itself as the #1 manufacturer of sanitary ware in India ahead of the company's centenary in 2017.
Well, the customer has realized that there are these high-end products which offer technology, which offer great quality, and they also have seen that we've been able to set up this factory, and the products from this factory are at par with any products made by any other Toto plant.
The establishment of a manufacturing plant enables Toto to strengthen its sales network throughout India. The company has around 90 showrooms in major cities across India which sell imported and locally manufactured sanitary products.
It is one of the fastest growing brand now in India, and since the time last year the factory opened, we have got a tremendous response with the brand.
Four Seasons Hotel in Mumbai has installed Toto brand toilets, decorative plumbing fixtures and showers to provide comfort and luxury to its customers.